we good? Are we good? Are we good? Morning, guys. Hope you're all doing lovely on this fine Thursday, 1st of August. Cole, good morning. Alright, I'll read through everything now, guys. Let me just actually do a chart breakdown before anything else. Seeing that we are a bit late to stream today. So before I even read through the comments, let me just do my chart breakdown, get that out of the way, and then I'll go through the comment section. But good morning to everybody, and I trust you all well on this fine Thursday. Rightio, let's have a look at Goldilocks on that daily price tapping the level of 24.50 straight off of these liquidity zones that we've been pretty much watching for the past week or so. Tapping into 24.50 with an area of rejection being so, which is quite surprising to me actually, because I mean we were last week we pretty much looking like we were going to continue further down within that structure. Now with this week obviously engulfing the confines of last week is quite interesting to see. However, I'm still going to mention that you still haven't closed above the level, so that is something that we're actually going to have to wait for tomorrow. Tomorrow's Friday, right? So tomorrow to see the closure of that and be like, okay, cool, you know what, we've closed above these levels, price can actually start going up now. So still, with that being said, we are bearish. Okay, on that daily closing, Maribozu within liquidity level obviously shows me a sign of reversal. That is something to have a look at. And then the current 4-hour forming a resistance at a key level without retesting the area that it came from. So even if price is overall bullish, and let's say that is the thing that's going to happen, where is the retest of this level? Shouldn't it be coming now? I think so. So already I have the idea that I want to look for shorts, guys, off of this quarter pip level. If this thing can just stop selecting. Off of this quarter pip level, I would like to see my shorts tank down to 24.25. However, the immediate target for me is going to be the level of 24.30. So that is what I'm going to target right now. I want to see how and where I can get in. Why does that brush keep being selected? Obviously, the issue with the 9 o'clock open right now is there's no top wick, right? So we're not going to rush anything. We have the idea that we want price to sell off, but we're obviously not going to rush anything because there's no top wick on the candle, and with no top wick on the candle, there's nothing that we can do. So let's go ahead and mark out my 4-hour liquidity zones. First and foremost, this is going to be that first area of supply right over there. And then because there is no formed 4-hour support at the moment, I'm just going to look to the left hand side, as you would have been noticing for a minute now. That is what we do, and we can grab our liquidity there, which is going to be from that high to pretty much the body over there. When I looked at the chart this morning, I was like, you know what, we're going to come and wick for that previous 4-hour. But obviously, with no confluences, I can't take a position. Okay, so my idea is that, guys, yes, I know the 30-minute is bullish. That 4-hour is bullish now as well. So it's pretty much 4v0 for the buy side of life right now, which is quite crazy. The thing that I want to mention is, though, even though that is the case, we still need to understand one of two things. Firstly, your bullish price needs to make a lower high. Secondly, the 4-hour, has it retested the liquidity area that it came from? No, it hasn't. So there's a very high probability that we could tap 24.32 before we continue with those longs, or that price possibly comes back down, and this could have then just be price accumulating volume for NFP tomorrow. So these are things that I'm going to look at as I'm now diving deeper into my chart. Right, let's start to micro manage these areas. So I'm going to have that 4-hour area like that. How big is this? So about 60 pips. And then I'm going to pull my 4-hour area like this, use that as a range on that 30-minute high for something like this. Okay, so now use it as an LTA, and then here I'm going to have the current 30-minute low marked out as my level of demand. 15 minutes, yeah. So this is how I'm going to play today. I feel like every day I'm going to come here and I'm going to be like, guys, it's straightforward, but that's the thing, it is straightforward though. So for me personally, guys, if we look where price is, let's start building confluences for the buy side. Then we'll come and build confluences for the sell side of things, because at the moment there is no trade. Okay, looking at the daily, you are overall bullish on structure. So that is something to note, that you're overall bullish, even though price has closed Maribozu within that liquidity zone of 2450. Price is ascending, making higher highs and higher lows within a structure itself, as well as the candlestick anatomy. So that is something to note. On that 4 hour, we have broken out of the level of 2425, tapped into QP. However, where's the retest? I'm going to mention that again. Okay, where is the retest? However, let's say for example we do not get that deeper retracement today, and we start to re-break the resistance bodily highs of 2450 for something like that, we will long the position there. Okay, so buys above the quarter pip 2450 is what we'll be looking for this morning, as the first scenario. Trading into the LTA, very nice. On the left hand side, also a decent LTA, very nice. So you want to see price pop up and drive. Okay, that's the buy side of life. Why I do not want to buy from these lows is because we can kind of clearly see that you are starting to what? Trend to the downside on the macro, on that micro. You with me? So buys is not ready yet for me personally. I'll more so rather wait for buys above the quarter pip. That will just solidify then all the confluences. That's a buy idea. Now the sell idea is personally what I prefer. Okay, the sell idea is Maribozu closing into 2450, showing me a sign of reversal. That weekly also not closing above the level yet. However, just by reading the candlestick today and how it's formed today, obviously it's not a preferred sell sort of candle, so I'm not going to use that as confluence. It's more so the daily downwards. The daily is showing me signs of rejection at this quarter pip level. That 4 hour is showing us that there's a clear level of resistance that has formed in price liquidity of 2450. As you can see to the left hand side, it's tested that level before, almost reaching all-time highs again, but not quite. So if we look where we are prior, we're pretty much at a previous support, now a new resistance. So price can pretty much sink from that level. Now when I say sink, it doesn't mean it's going to drop all the way down. Whether it's going to buy or sell, I'm always going to stand by the idea that where is the retracement. So that is what I can use as a confluence for my sales today. Where's the retracement? If price is going to buy, shouldn't it come and grab liquidity down there before it longs up? There's a higher probability that it'll do so. So that is why I will look for shorts at the re-break of the previous 4 hourly low. Okay? With that also being said, if I look at this microstructure on that 30 minute, 30 and 15 actually, so I'm going to use these as the same confluence. 30 and 15, you got your level of support, price broke that. This is price retesting, accumulating volume for price to possibly continue further down. Now, when I looked at the chart this morning, I did have an idea of taking those early impulse shorts. However, I won't do so now, just because we've popped down with that bottom wick first. Look, if we make the top wick and then re-break, obviously that'll be fine. But the issue with that is that you're so close to a level of support, and you're so close to the bottom of that 4 hour wick. So the idea with it was that I could go and fill that wick. At that point, you're kind of like filling most of the wick already. So I feel like the best thing for us to do is more so rather wait for the re-break of the lows and then shorten. And that is going to be the sell side of things. So I've got my buy side of things, I've got my sell side of things. I have an idea as to what I want to do today. I have a plan. Beautiful. This for me is going to be a no trade range. Very straightforward today once again. This for me is going to be aggressive shorts, because it's going to be against my structure as a type 3, and this will be safe buys. It's literally just going to be a continuation of the buys. So it's weird because it's safer to buy today, but I prefer the sells, if you know what I mean, just because of what I'm seeing within the market. However, I'm not biased today. Whatever comes, comes. Whichever position comes, I'm chill with it. That's what I'll be taking today. Drop a W in the chat if you understand. If you don't understand, do let me know, and we'll obviously just review it quickly and see how we can assist you with your questions. GJ, let's have a look at GJ. I still feel like GJ is still really large within the candle itself. I'm gonna have to lay off GJ. As much as I see another setup possibly happening like right now, my stop would have to be somewhere like there, 80 pips. The ranges on GJ is just a bit too large for me at the moment, so I'm gonna have to let it settle. Go. So gold's gonna be the one for me again today. It's the first of the month. Let's clear out that stream records just so we can run with full transparency here. MFX members in the chat, are we good? I'm gonna have a look at it right now. Just greet everybody and say our ways and our ways. So ending off last month, boys, it was so quick. I think we pretty much did the recap yesterday. I didn't add in this win yet of yesterday. I'll add it in obviously when I do my journal update today after today's trade. So for the month of July, we ended off at 459 pips profit for the month with a total of 20. What is that? It was 22 wins. 22 wins and 2 losses. 92% win rate for the month of July. Absolutely phenomenal. So that is the month of July done. We are in August now. Let's see what we have ahead of us. Let me just greet you all because I didn't even do that. I just wanted to get straight into the charts because I was a bit late this morning. Just had to sort out a couple of things. Cole, good morning. Uncle Robs, good morning. Mark, good morning. Brandon, Chad, good morning. Elaine, good morning. Our past phase 1 of Vault Funder. Wow. So Elaine was one of our winners, guys. I don't know if you know, but Elaine was one of the winners of the Vault Funder giveaways that we did. I think it was a week ago or 2 weeks ago. I think it was 2 weeks ago. I can't remember. But she just passed phase 1 of that challenge. So well done to her. Super, super proud of you taking advantage of the gifts that we give on stream. Well done. Breadflow, good morning. Lily, good morning. Oh, there's a Q&A on the chat. Just go and check it out and let's start chatting about that. Let's see what is your plans, your goals for August. Don't tell me you want to make $100,000 or something like that. Let's be realistic. What's your goals? Don't make money your goal. Lily, good morning. Okay, so Lily says their first goal is to learn more, especially more chart time. I love that. That is very important. Yanette, good morning. Number 2 for Lily is staying in the game, capital preservation, and then bag profits and keep them. I love that. Gino, good morning. Calvin, good morning. Amal, good morning. Hensku, good morning. Oh shit, Yanette, for real? Okay, let me know the outcome of that, and then whatever, because obviously you VT, right? So I'll then run that up with support. We won't let that just stand like that, you know what I mean? So let me know what the update is of that once the server, let's say, runs normal again, and then I'll run that right to the support, because we won't let that slide. That is bullshit. Good. After stream, just run that by me. Let's review it so we can run it to support. Okay. We won't let things like that ever slide. Uncle Lance, good morning, sir. A week ago? Nice. Phase 1 in a week. Well done, Elaine. Is that personal trades or is that stream trades? Did I miss anybody? For Jola, good morning. So obviously it's NFP tomorrow, guys, and there is quite a bit of news coming out today. So I feel like from today onwards, it's gonna get wild. It's about to get wild. So do be aware of some crazy markets. I'm quite keen for NFP tomorrow, I'm not gonna lie. MFX members after stream today, just stay in the Zoom. Just something I want to have a chat about. Why? Oh. Nah, it's nothing serious for you guys. You guys, do you trade NFP after price action? Sometimes. Probably not though. Look, I'm a London trader, but I'm gonna trade NFP tomorrow with the MFX members, so just come to Zoom afterwards, just so we can discuss the formations of tomorrow. All the MFX members in YouTube, come to Zoom. Matthew Bowers, good morning. Brett Flo, you're 2Gs tomorrow. How did you know that? Did I say that? I think I said that on stream yesterday. So no, tomorrow it's a normal live stream here, but for MFX members only. So YouTube, today's the last day. So if you obviously, for those that like pull up every day, you might as well just join the team. There's way more nuggets there anyway. We're streaming tomorrow. I'm not on YouTube tomorrow. As you know, on YouTube, I'm only here Monday to Thursday. Tomorrow's gonna be a private session for the MFX members. Normal live London trading session, followed by accountability call. You with me? Chris mentioned on this stream. Oh yeah, so cat's out the hat then. I think I mentioned it on my stream as well. So tomorrow I will be a guest speaker on the 2G's podcast. Just gonna be an update podcast. We actually have a lot of shit coming this month, boys. It's gonna be crazy. Stay tuned for this. 2G's podcast is starting off on Friday, so tomorrow, and then we have another. We've got some other things coming in as well. For the people in Cape Town, who's from Cape Town, we're coming down this month as well as September. So for the next 2 months, we'll be in Cape Town as well. So for those that's in Cape Town, we might do a meetup for all the MFX members as well. It's gonna be wild. I feel like this, the rest of the year is gonna be nuts, boys. We're gonna push numbers here. To smoke, I don't know, bro. I don't know. What podcasts have you done? The thing is, the podcast that we did at the beginning of the year, I'll send you the link. But the thing is, it wasn't like, because it was a live podcast, the connection wasn't that great. So that is why tomorrow's podcast is actually going to be like a private podcast, and then it will be posted as a video. So what is NFP? So NFP stands for non-farm payrolls. That is your unemployment rate for the US. So for those that don't know, you can use a website called Forex Factory for all your news releases and news updates. Just refine it to your time zone and refine it. For me personally, I deselect the yellow folder because that is the lowest impact news. Look, I'm not a news trader, so I don't even want to know about that. So it's going to be like your jobs that is gained and lost within the month for the US specifically. So it's down here, non-farm payrolls. Obviously, got unemployment rates, but this is the main one here. That's the main data over there. Okay, so can I go over read all that? Check it out. But this is what I use for my news releases. I focus on red and orange folders, so high impact and medium impact. And the time, the pair, what it is. It'll in detail explain to you how it will affect the set currency you look at, and then if the actual is greater than the forecast, it's good for the currency. But obviously you can do your deeper research like we do with NFP. We'll obviously do deeper research for that and see how the economy is doing for the dollar, and then also just look at a slight technical perspective. But like you'll see, like my guys, I will tell them now already. Watch me go tell them. I'll tell them my prediction for NFP tomorrow already. We know you're coming here. Let's grow that side and we'll do a event that side. Look, the more countries we're going, because I feel like now we've tapped everywhere. We've tapped America, we've tapped Asia, we've tapped Africa, we've tapped on all the continents. Country-wise, we've tapped a lot. US, Thailand, Singapore. Bro, it's actually a lot, eh? It's actually a lot. It's actually a lot. All glory to God, though. Do you trade NFP on USDT? No. So NFP, I only trade gold. I'm a gold boy. Gold and GJ boy. That's all I trade. I'm just looking at... Yo, MFX members have been up early, eh? Who's up at 2 in the morning? Oh, Gina? Ilsa, good morning. Yeah, I'm checking out now, brother. I'm checking out now, brother. Welcome, Vince. Gina, with your question, I feel like now with seeing my analysis, might have just assisted with that, right? NFP affects a lot of markets, in specific the dollar. Where's Jason today? Let's see here. Vince, what are you showing me here, Vince? Jordan. You know, I literally had like a heartfelt moment yesterday. The progress of my students is absolutely insane. YouTube, like, I wish I could show you guys how these guys came to me and how they are now, especially Vince. This bra is like on another level now. Jordan as well. What? This is crazy, dude. Look at these people's charts. This is insane. Well done, guys. I'm so proud of you. Let's see what's happening here. So is this what you wanted? The tap? Yeah. Okay. For sure, yeah.
Price did crap because then it went to the upside. So I wasn't comfortable of just executing when I saw that, okay, look, price is ready. But because of the time effect, if you look to the right, you'll see it was zero. It's over like 30-minute and 50-minute closures. So I just got a bit skeptical of that.
I got you.
I would have but because like helping us not to have fallen, I didn't take that.
And how do you feel afterwards? Just looking at the setup, I think that you would have taken that position too early anyway. Why did you not rather wait for the break of these lows over here and then use this candlestick as a wick fill, in opposed to taking the trade directly into a support level?
Yes.
With price already starting to drive like that, what was your stop loss based off of? You know what I mean?
Yes.
I'm asking you.
look at that last move I said. So that's why I reframed the trade and rather said, no, rather take it in if it does that.
You see, now this is proper. So you've got that level there, the break of that price is retesting. If it re-breaks that low, and you also see the previous 30-minute candle, see how it closed Maribozu. So that's obviously a sign of reversal, right? So the re-break of the current low as well as the previous low, that would then be a point where you can say, okay, you know what, quiet, let's get involved now. Personally, I would probably still wait for a micro time frame closure beneath that level before I then anticipate price to continue going down. Because why? It's a type 3, right? So you want your confluence to line up as best as possible.
Yeah, but I didn't
100%. Got you. That's that discipline I like to see, and I'm super proud of you for having that discipline. Well done, my broski. Yeah, I think Brett answered it nicely there for Brandon. Jay, no, it's just gold. Even Chase in Jamaica. I think Chase is actually flying down to SA on Saturday. So we can actually meet with him maybe the weekend. I'm gonna just check with him how. What time his flight to our city is. So yeah. Carl Best, good morning, my brother. All the best for your session as well, my man. Boys, while we're at it, let's hit that like button. Let's run up that subscriber count. Be 200 yesterday. What's the goal for today? Let's see. Come, let's make a goal. I think every day we should make a goal. Let's run it up, man. And then that question. There's the question on the Q&A. What is your trading goals for the month of August? Don't tell me I want to make $5,000. What is the goal for August? Let's hear your percentage. Let's hear your progress in trading. What is it? What is your goal for the month of August? You can't come into August blindly. You can't be like, I just want to trade per normal. There still needs to be a goal. That's a great one. Don't miss trades because you are warming up pies. What were you doing the other day? Warming up a chip roll. What were you doing the other day? Okay, that'll be your goal. Don't warm up shit when Miles is taking a trade. I think we already got like 10 subs just for the morning. Boys, let's run this shit up. Road to 1.5k. At 1.5k, I'm gonna do another big Oh shit! Oh, look at that news. Kyle, send me that certificate. Send me that certificate, boy. Well done. My boy here just passing phase 2 of his challenge. Well done, my guy. I told you it's gonna happen. GG's. Can we get GG's in the chat for Kyle Holmes? What a one. Well done, bro. Well done. MFX students are killing it. Killing it. Send me that certificate. I gotta post that shit. Yeah, I think Carl can do a giveaway of that VTech. GG's, bro. That's a GG. GG's, man. I'm so proud of you, dude. Perseverance. How's your emotion through all of that? Especially like phase 2. Lovely stuff, man. can you please explain what these Vault Funder challenges are? So I'm not going to explain Vault Funder, I'll explain the prop firm space. So prop firms will allow you to trade their virtual capital if you pass the challenges. So you can pay a prop firm, let's say for example, $100 for X amount. I think let's actually just check what Vault is, okay, and then use this as in the perfect example. Oh, this is the sign in. Hold on, let me just get. Okay, so this is Vault Funder. This is just an example of a prop firm. This is obviously who we are affiliated with. Use code MFX at checkout for 35% discount. However, so this is how it goes. So you'll pay any prop firm their price for either a one-step or a two-step challenge. Vault Funder, I feel like, is one of the most transparent, just like FTMO. So they stick with their two-step challenges. Okay. So for 5K, you pay $60. Okay, to manage $5,000 worth of capital. Okay, you then need to pass step 1 and step 2. Step 1 is 10%, step 2 is 5%. You can't do a maximum drawdown of 5% per day and maximum overall loss of 10%. So what it does is these prop firms pretty much allow you to trade capital that you possibly don't have in your bank account to actually trade yourself. With that being said, once you are funded, you can keep between 80 and 90% of the profits, and then obviously you do a profit split. So it's nice for a lot of people that come into the game that is educated. Why I'm going on about this is because of the same scenario as yesterday. There's going to be people that will come to me, whether I say this now or 10 years from now, because I still get it because I've been saying this for how many years. People will come and ask, yo man, what percentage do I use? What lot size do I need to use? If you're asking me that questions, you shouldn't be trading a funded challenge. I'm just being transparent. Because you should only be trading a funded challenge if you are consistent enough to generate an income, to generate profit consistently. You know what I'm saying? Because why would you be taking a challenge if you can't even manage $100 live account? You understand what I'm saying? So the idea behind the prop firm space is to gear you up with proper capital that you can use to then actually trade and make decent money with. Within the MFX group, we have many people that have been funded, are funded, gents that have come, gents that have go. We've got people that's funded 200k, 400k, 600k, 25k, it's you name it. We've gotten people funded. So it's great because from that, if we do the maths, and let's say you get funded $100,000, you keep 80% of that, that is 80k, 80% of whatever you make. Let's say you make 10% of 100k, you split 80-20, that's $8,000. And how much did it cost for the challenge? It cost you $550. I think it's like $380 if you use my discount code. So if you are educated enough, I feel like it is a great way to scale up your capital 100%. But if you are consistent, all that jazz, focus on that first. Don't focus on getting funded first. Focus on your foundation, focus on consistency. Once you have that and you know you can make money, then go ahead and try the prop firm challenge thing. Because a lot of people come into trading like yesterday. Now they're checking, oh shit, prop firms, I can get funded $1 million. Understand? Now they're checking, okay, let's go and take a challenge. They fail it. They take another one. They fail it. They just take challenge after challenge after challenge after challenge. And they don't know why they're losing because they think that this is a quick fix to life. I said this yesterday, I'm going to say it again. Funding prop firms is not a quick fix to life. I'll tell you that now. Because it's one thing to get funded, but then to be consistent when you are funded and get your payouts is another thing. So for me personally, I will always say that your own personal capital is supreme, because I trade my own personal capital all my life. You with me? So I'll always say that is supreme. But within the industry right now and where we are with technology and all that jazz right now, if you're educated, do the funded route, bro, because it can speed up your process a lot, especially if you don't have the capital in the first place. Not a lot of people even have 10 grand to invest. You understand what I'm saying? So then focus on the education. Once you have the education, I don't think people like comprehend why I go on like this. Once you're educated and you have the skill, What is stopping you? What is stopping you? If you are consistent, you're making money of $100 or $200 or $1,000, whatever account you have, and you have the skill, what is stopping you from leveling up in your trading career? And that is something that I focused a lot on my journey. And that's why it took me 2.5 years to become consistent. Because it was trial and error, no sleep, 2 hours sleep, every day, in my chops, working my whole off to get that consistency. And even when I got that consistency, it was still a mountain to climb. So I can once again say, focus on your education. That's pretty much your profit space in a nutshell. Goals for August: fast cars, faster women, and Jägermeisters. Great shit, Uncle Robs. I'm definitely with you on the fast cars one. I don't know about the women and the Jägermeisters. I'll pass with that. It's fine, thanks. I'll just do the fast cars. Faster women, should they be athletes? Crazy. What lot size should I be using for my 5K account, please? I don't know if that's a joke. If it's a joke, I'm going to throw you in the bin. If that's a real question, I'm still going to throw you in the bin. And that's a prime example. I hope that's a joke, boss. Just another note, even though you have a 5K account, your extra account size, the max drawdown on the account. Well said. Well said. What is nice, or what I must admit, which I've noticed a lot from my students, the discipline that these funded accounts force into you is quite nice, because you have to be in a proper discipline. You have to be having a proper routine, all that jazz, because obviously you can breach that account very easily. Yeah, so I definitely feel like it's a great way to reinforce discipline. And I always tell the guys, like, even if you are educated and consistent and you take your first challenge, don't be your main mindset. Don't let your main mindset be to pass. Because believe it or not, that challenge as a whole is going to be education on its own. Because at the end of the day, besides the technicals, besides the psychology, sure. Besides the technicals and besides the psychology, the biggest thing in your trading is that discipline, man. It's being able to step away, being able to know when is okay, this is enough now, and also in the state when it's not the monetary value that you really want. That's also, I feel like that's a big tester. When you're great in trading, but you don't have a lot of funds to trade with, or the account you can only manage right now can only produce a certain amount of monetary value correctly without you over leveraging. That's times in your trading where you have to like really reinforce that patience. You know what I mean? But that's why I always say it's just a journey, man. Oh, Vince, I see your boyfriend's here. Darren, kom haal jou man. Where is he? Is he here? Yes, he is. Ahoy! Okay, the next goal is 3 to 5% on both live and funded for the month, and to keep improving psychological state. 100%. And I feel like you already achieved that, so you are already a G. What's happening with GJ? Just out of curiosity. Okay, nothing.
Killing these cats with they facilities, flush down the drain, leaning through all 8 lives till that become their centerpiece. Unfold and be a
You need, by the way, send me that analysis for GJ that you did that made you take that position. Bye, donkey. Also, can I just say this on live stream so I don't get it? Well, I probably will get it. Please don't send me a DM saying you want to flip $500 to $5,000, some cuck like that. Bro, my DMs has been wild this past week. My word. We still have a deal, remember? What sideline bets is Jeanette and Vince doing here? I'm only looking. Fuck off. 1 cent to $1 to $1 million. Nah. Durban life, you say? Bevan. Is this my Bevan? Is this MFX Bevan? I don't know. There's not a surname there, so I don't know. Yes. Oh wait, I don't know, bro. This is a playlist that I just compiled from like oh, what is this playlist? Oh no, it's just a playlist that I compiled from the non-copyrighted music that I use. Speaking about non-copyright, did you guys get? Let me see something. Where's this thing now? 55 Owens watching, 26 likes. That's sad. Let's run up those likes, guys. Your duty as a viewer should be coming into the stream and liking the stream already. And then my duty as the stream host will be to take trades. Okay, then we have a deal. And to educate you guys. I do my end of the deal. I come here, I educate the masses. You do your side of the deal. You like the stream and subscribe. Simple as that. Then we have a liquor deal. Nah, this is just non-copyrighted stuff I'm checking out. I made another playlist last night, but I'm gonna start playing that from next week, because obviously tomorrow it's gonna be private MFX members only, so we can play proper music, you know what I mean? Get some Don Toliver going here. No, we only need the brokerage. We only overseeing all the dope shit. Killing these cats with they facilities, flush down the drain, leaning through all 8 lives till that become their centerpiece. Over Durban, I think it was 150. I do 150. Red Flow's August goals. Number 1, pass the funded challenge using the MFX promo code. I weigh 35% off, my G. Work on my psychology, following my rules, not chasing trades. FOMO when I'm late to streams and Miles has taken a trade. Do you feel that? Is that something that you guys feel like when I've taken a trade and you're late? Do you get some sort of FOMO? Also, just sake, my name is with a Y. M-Y-L-E-S. Just for just sake. That's the first thing I do is like, I appreciate that. Zix, yo, what's up, bro? Is that a thing though? Like when I take a trade and you may be late, is that a thing that you guys get FOMO? Oh, do smoke with the jokes. Do smoke with the jokes. Don't worry, Brett. That's been an issue all my life. School teachers could never get it right. Uncle Rob's? Oh, really? Is it the trades that you're missing out on, or is it the lunch bar? It's Zeke from the Alex meet. From the Alex meet. Yo, refresh my mind, bro. Zeke from the Alex meet. Sorry, bro. I can't think of. Like, it's not hitting me right now. Just refresh me and then I'll. Really? Gotcha, Uncle Robs. Miles used to starting with you, but nah, now cool. Oh yeah, 100%. Yeah. Put respect on my name. In the early days, I used to get that FOMO, yeah, but I think cause I rely heavily on streams to see my success, if that makes sense. Ooh, I like that. I like that.
Miles.
My brother, what's happening? Oh, you know, sorry, that was so long ago because I thought you was talking about like the school Alex here in PE. That's why I was like, huh? When did this happen? Yeah. Okay, 100%. Now I remember you 100%, my brother. Glad to have you on stream, my man. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. You know what, guys, YouTube, you know what Jordan did to me in Cape Town? He only makes me meet his tall friends. Only his tall friends. Now I must look like a midget amongst all these bras. Thank the Lord I had Jason with me. Look, at the end of the day, guys, like what we do on stream and the trades we take, that's pure education. 100%, right? So, with that also being said, how can I say? You still need to do your grafting on the side. Even though you come here and I'm going to be straight up, even though these trades aren't, like, you'll read the risk disclaimer. I'm not telling you guys what to do, but I know a lot of people take my trades. Don't rely on that. Don't let that be your end all and be all. Your main focus should still be to get educated. More so, rather use my trades besides what I know you're using for. I'm not going to say it, but also use it as motivation number one. But more importantly, the education. Start to absorb and watch why I take the trades that I do, so that you yourself can do it on your own. And then obviously, if you want to be as consistent as us, just join the MFX team. It's as simple as that. Sure. 100%. Now I remember him, Bevan. I remember him. Look, sometimes I can be bad with names, but I'll never forget her face. There's a lot of names that go through my head every day. I get FOMO when I warm the pie and you eat TP. Nice. Now focus on my own trades, even though I'm not consistent yet. I feel like you are consistent, my friend. I feel like you are consistent. You just need to not allow external factors tapping into your internal trading. It explains why I never crack an invite to block. You see, Charles is too tall to block this. Charles is probably taller than Zex. That's what I said. Miles, yeah, bro. I hope you checked your diary because I'm seeing you straight off the stream. I hope you checked yours. Can I use your trades for my signal group? Interessant. You guys will do that without me even saying anything anyway. People come to our stream so they can sell my signals to their groups. No cap. How tall is he? Charles is like 2.5. Charles' shoes is so big. You see him come around the corner before he comes around the corner. What straight after you joking? Look, it's supposed to be at 12, but I mean that's gonna be like when we end stream probably anyway. Come, Bevan, we have work to do, bro. We have work to do, my man. Now, I think Charles, I think you're Charles like 2 point something. Charles used to play 198 mile. That is nuts, to 2 meters. Charles used to play basketball. Coming up to that hourly closure now as well. Look, guys, I'm literally just waiting for price to break one of my areas. That's why I'm just being patient. This wick on the left hand side is 24 pips. I'm going to use that as a wick fill. If I can get my hourly closure beneath this level, the tap in and the drive, I'm going to be looking for a setup something like this. Okay. This will be the setup for me. If I can get that closure beneath. Got that 5 minute resistance. I personally want a tighter 5 minute resistance, but that is fine for now. It's going to be like a 40 pip stop loss if I take this position, which is fine. Miles, no promo code to join MFX? Unfortunately not, my brother. Unfortunately not. I think I had a sale just before the price went up. I had a sale just before the price went up. What I would always recommend is join before the price goes up again. Because if you're part of MFX, like there's members that's still paying $47 and not $59 because they stayed with me. There's members from last year that's paying $30 something because I had a sale, like I think I had a sale for like $30 something at the beginning of the year. That was my last year. I had like a $37 sale or something like that. So obviously people that joined then are still staying there because that will be their recurring until they leave. So when the price possibly goes up to $150, which it will eventually, there will be still Oaks paying $37. So I just say the earlier you get in, the better. Oh, what is Bevan? Well done. I'm just pulling your leg, Bevan. Look, for me personally, the earlier we see you, the better. But 4 PM is perfect. That's perfect because that's what we did schedule last. I'm just pulling your leg. Charles dunks a 3-pointer. Damn. Okay, then just a reminder, MFX members, just after stream, just stay behind quickly. Just want to discuss tomorrow. I would always love to look at your charts, my friend. Let's see. But before I see you, I see Annette sent her things, but she didn't say anything. Let's see what's happening. Daily 4 hour 30 M5. Perfect. Daily rebreak of that current low. Did you take the rebreak of the low? Run me through this trade. Where you at? Yeah, yeah. How big was the stop? That's really good. What? Oh yeah. Yeah. Mm. No, look, this is solid. This is solid. TP smacked, well done. This is a solid setup. I'm actually quite surprised you got such a small stop loss, and I'm like I can't even con the stop. The stop is perfect. What's this? Type 4. Got you. Because you said the overall is bearish, right? So it'll be a type 4 entry, but a type 3 style execution though, because it's like a reversal off that micro. For sure. Nah, looks good. Looks good. Jeez. Guys, is this that trade you just... Whoa. Did this just happen live on... Did this happen live? MFX, bro. Check your YouTube. Remember I was speaking about this? I don't know if YouTube can hear the zoom. Somebody let me know if YouTube can hear the zoom. What I do notice is after stream, when I rewatch the video, because obviously I'm that guy, I rewatch my stream so I can see how I can better it. You can hear the zooms. But I don't know if you can hear it during stream, which is weird. Anyways, we were just chatting about this trade that Vince was calling. Right? Here this dude just went and killed it. There you waited for the closure, you waited for the rebreak of that low on the 30 minute. There's his trade. Boom, TP smacked. Damn boy, you are killing it. Are you definitely an MFX student. You are pretty crazy. Bro, your level up is insane. And it's coming so fast actually. You see, this is also the thing about sorry there, Bevan. This is also the thing about anything in life. It actually becomes like a snowball effect. Because once you start seeing that ball run, it takes time for it to actually build up, right? But when that thing builds up, it just becomes bah, like it just starts, like you can't control it. Like I've seen it in my own personal journey as well. Like it takes time for you to build that momentum, but once that momentum is there, sure, it just, I would really like to use another word, but it just goes. But you'll keep it PG. What you saying there, Bevan? That word, that Bevan, yeah, that's what I want to say. Well done, brother. I'm super proud. Because I keep getting flagged. Bro, I don't know what it is. I don't know if someone's reporting me or I don't know if YouTube picks it up, but whenever I use even the Afrikaans swear word, my shit gets flagged. It's crazy. I think yes, no? When was it? I know we had a big day and I did say the F word a couple of times. Bro, YouTube took my stream down. That's crazy. And nah, I don't think so, because I don't think it's relayed like that. But for I don't even know. I read the guideline terms, but I don't know. I don't even know, dude. And obviously, I mean, no matter like how long I've been in this, I'm gonna get excited when a TP gets hit. You know what I mean? But are they? F word, sup, gone.
That's actually my first stream, my first what's the thing's name? Zoom joining this.
I've seen so. I've seen so. Have you been still like backtesting and stuff though? Okay, that's the main thing. No, you must have a. Yeah. Even besides the eyes, like you need that mental clarity at least for a day. That's why I look personally. Okay, I can't really use myself because obviously I am already consistent, but even when I was still in my journey to get consistent, I would take Saturdays and Sundays off. I don't touch the charts. Now I don't touch the charts. People's gonna think I'm joking, but literally the only time I open trading view is on stream. And if we maybe have like a Zoom call with a student that I need to show them something. But regarding trading wise and all that jazz, I don't touch trading view. I'm here 8:30. By the time we hit TP, I'm done. I close it, go about my day. See how this 5-minute resistance is forming. So if we start getting price to start trading beneath the level, that would be quite nice. I'm actually thinking of being impulsive at the break of this current 30-minute low to anticipate price to drive with volume.
Even though it's hard, it's not impossible. Tell them there's no limit, I'm unstoppable. Stop myself and guilt, then it's possible. Nobody else, nobody else.
You don't know what a shamrock pie is? Don't you get it in Cape Town? Wait. You telling me you guys don't get shamrock pies in Cape Town? It's a pie. That's a pie. It's like a really nice. It's a small pie, but it's very nice. I didn't know you don't get it in Cape Town. Any like it can be a chicken one, any like stinky, whatever, anything. I didn't know it's on Eastern Cape. I'm actually surprised. It's but it is like a. You can get it in the garage, but it's the Woolworths of pies. It's small, but it's nice. Like one shamrock pie doesn't do anything to my stomach. My stomach's like, ah, wait. Like a caramel. Nah. A shamrock pie. Dude, it's in Cape Town. It's made in Cape Town. What? A shamrock pie. A shamrock pie. Nah, it's a full moon. It's a full moon, just a small moon. it's a very small moon. Like, I promise you can probably eat that pie in one bite, maybe 2 bites. It's a small full pie, but it's really nice. Maybe. And in Cape Town, in PE, did you have one before?
Yeah, I've tried one of them.
Hectic, so it's only maybe a Eastern Cape thing then.
Do you guys have Gatsby's then?
Yeah, actually I had a Gatsby last weekend.
Wait.
My bra owns a Burger Palace here in PE, so we had one of his Gatsby's last week, Friday. Life changing. It's really good. Really good. Is that golden dish still closed down. So they're never gonna open it up again. What? Really? Because it's actually been out for a while, eh? Guys, the more I get closer to the 15 close, the more I'm gonna wanna wait. But at the moment, I do want to take this breakout shorts as the 5 when it breaks its floor. And that will obviously be your type 3. For those that's gonna ask. What do you mean, Vince? It's all you, bro. Concord, yo, yeah. Concord pie also does slap, I'm not gonna lie. But on the real though, I'll swap you Shamrock for Krispy Kreme. When me and Jason flew back from Cape Town, we were the only people on the whole plane with Ducker Krispy Kreme boxes. Nah, we have McDonald's donut here. No, a McDonald's donut. Oh, do you guys have Dunkin' Donuts? Wait quickly, do you guys have Dunkin' Donuts in Cape Town? What? That is insane. Yeah, we have Spa Donuts and we have McAfee. I haven't. Well, I don't think I have. I don't know. Oh yeah, some of the jokes. Yes, we have a Woolworths. A Woolworths. The entry is on the 5 EMA. Price bounced back just now. I was still going. I don't know about we, but me, I'm going in there. I don't use indicators, guys. No thanks. The day I use indicators is the day when you know Miles has lost the plot. I will never use an indicator. Indicator is like a taxi in South Africa. What do you think of the Fibonacci tool? Throw it in the bin. Fibonacci. Look, and I can only say these things, guys, because I've used it all. I've tried it all. I've used it all. My second swing strategy worked with Fibs. It worked 100%. But you don't need that stuff, guys. You don't need all that fancy schmancy things that people have come up in the last 5 years. Simple. Look at this. There's 4 blocks on the chart. Simple supply and demand, simple price action, simply understanding market structure as well as candlestick anatomy will get you paid. Really?
Yeah.
Damn.
I was gonna take a break.
If you, oh yeah, if you are going in, I am going in, Miles. Sure. Sure. Guys, standing with me here. I saw. Are you gonna get it? Who uninstall Warzone? Yeah. Oh, hectic. Check it. Does Warzone use Modern Warfare 2 or 3? Because if it's 3, then it should be the same. Okay. Makes sense. Yes. I got
So
you.
now I'm downloading more stuff.
Wait, I don't think Modern Warfare 2, I think you only need for DMZ.
Yeah, I'm downloading the but I also trying to play the campaign.
But I think the campaign is Modern Warfare 3, so that should be this. They should be using the same system. For real?
Yeah.
Hectic. Okay. I think that's what I'll also be keen to try. It's just the campaign.
Yeah, I just want to play
The campaign, yeah. Because look, their storylines are lacquer. Just chill, yeah. Fuck the pillows, the dog will be fine. Yeah, I think the thing is with Microsoft, I think they buy over like the whole of Activision, so all the Activision games is going to be on Game Pass. If I'm not mistaken, I think that deal did go through. Wait, what? You guys are joining the dark side and going to PlayStation? Don't lie? Okay, I feel you on that one for sure. Look, I got the Spider-Man in my cupboard. Oh, now you want to talk. Now you want to talk. Ooh, 50 pips. That's why Darren's so quiet. He's busy catching Naz. Send me your chart, Eddie. Wait, Darren, are you busy with the funded? What is the confluence for the entry, and are you waiting for closure on the? I would like a closure, obviously beneath, but because this candlestick closed by Rebozo in liquidity and the next one weak bullish, if we can get this current 15 to start engulfing bearish like that, then I'm gonna take it on the rip. Reason being, with that being said, if I look at that 5 minute, there's a resistance right there. So the break of the 5 minute floor is gonna want to make me get into early position sells, because I can obviously see that it's holding the resistance and you have price liquidating orders to the upside, so we should then drop, right? So obviously the 15/30 close will be best beneath there for sure, but the way we are forming the candles here right now, if we're gonna flip bearish and start engulfing and start driving to these lows, I'm gonna sell it. Like I said, guys, the buys for me, I'm not gonna take them because you are micro bearish, and the probability of it coming down is more than it going up because it needs to retest a strong liquidity zone. So even if price does spike to the upside, I'm not phased. I will only get on buys above QP even though you are overall bullish. Let me actually just change that quickly. I didn't change that. You see that? Bullish. So you 4v0. So I hope you guys are understanding why I have this sort of mindset even though we are overall bullish. And that's where price action helps a lot. A 30-minute also to re-break it slow and oh, that'll be great. So we're just waiting on this at the moment, boys. Hope that answers your question, Radwan. Is your last name Morales? Maybe. Since watching your streams, I've deleted the RSI and SI. Don't know what. Only SI I know is a Civic. I still have my Ma. I also have my Ma. I got you though. Look, honestly, brother, I don't use any indicators. I say it all the time. Do not need indicators to trade. If according to your strategy it somehow helps you, GG, it's cool, great. But for me and the way I see markets, you don't need that. So I'm gonna take this impulsively. The only way I can lose is if this was just a liquidity grab. Let's say I get in, right? And let's say this is a liquidity grab and it comes back up and boom, it's stop loss. Okay, then it's fine, then it's stop loss. But the way price is forming right now, guys, I just see that if we break those lows and re-breaks that candlestick support level right there, if it does that, it should ride down. $100%, my brother. I schmark that. Okay, I'm gonna check now, my brother. Wait, what did you say? What did you say? The story. Just lock it in here, boys. Get ready. This is what I'm doing, so you can see what I'm gonna do. Re-break of this 5-minute support. Break of that low. Stop loss above the 5-minute resistance for 37 pips. First trade of August. What's it gonna be? Because for me personally, boys, if we are to grab liquidity like that, pop up, make a high, re-break lows, I would want to be in. So I'll obviously tell you when I'm in. You'll see it, price point 24.39.21. That's where I'm going in. I'm going in. Nine minutes to 30-minute close as well. So my entry, I wanted 24.39.21. Almost there. Okay, we are in gold cells at the moment. Entry 24.39.21. Stop loss 24.43 flat. Above that resistance point for 39 pips. TP1 24.38.22. TP2 24.36.16. Overall TP for 72 pips at 24.32.01. What we're trying to do is find price driving back to the security zone after we have pressed to the upside. So let's see how she pans out. I want to see price wick fall that as well to the left hand side. That would be quite cool to see as well. The only way I could lose this trade is obviously if this area holds and obviously rejects the demand zone, right? But the way it's just pressed now, we should not re-break its current high nor the previous high. If it does that, I don't want to be in the trade, so I'll obviously be out. But that's my stop. Those are my TPs. Let's see what price can do. You'll obviously see that I took the trade a little bit earlier than the closure, but it's because of me seeing that this is price grabbing liquidity on the upside. Okay, you then have a 5-minute resistance formed, brilliant. You then have a 5-minute breaking the floor, brilliant. So at this point she should start driving down. So let's see what she does. This is my trade for the morning. Let's see. And then overall, this is pretty much just that 4-hour coming back to this level here to drive up. But you know me by now, I'm not even going to hold that whole way. I just want 10 to 20 pips and I'm out of here. So obviously we just do not want now, especially now that this 30 is broken the previous low. You don't want this 30-minute to come back up and re-break the high. Then obviously I don't want to be in the position. But everything is exactly how I want it. So this is a trade that I'll take with my eyes closed every single day. Whatever the outcome is the outcome. You got closure as well in the next 5 minutes for 15:30. Honestly, if we can just get closure beneath the level, we're good. 5 minute has now closed beneath that floor, so honestly, she should go, boys. While we're at it, let's hit that like button. Let's hit that subscribe button as we do this every day for free live on YouTube. You can't shout at work. Let's get those subs up, boys. Let's get that subs up. See you, fella. Oh, I don't know. So what we want to see on this 15 and 30 minute is that we get price to close beneath the level. If we can do that, the next candle is going to create a top wick, and then as it flips, it should start driving down. At TP1, I'm obviously going to go to break even and secure partials at that point as per usual. If you watch me every day, you kind of know my routine now by now. Oh, that's what I wanted. I forgot. Yesterday I wanted to put that sub count up on like the stream thingamabob. Gotta do that. I'll still order that out by Monday though, for sure. Come on, gold. Tap that TP1 for us. Give me a nice breakfast. Can she do it? Only time will tell. Can she do it? So you see my TP1 is actually, my TP2 is a little bit extended today because I'm anticipating price to tap that wick on the left hand side for about 30 odd pips. So let's see if she can do that. I don't want to be too aggressive with my management on this position, but what I'm definitely going to do right now is go to break even because I just slapped TP1 on its ass. W's in the chat again. Salute, yeah. Jeez, boys, that's another TP for us. I secured partials at TP1 and went to break even. That's another day, another W. W's in the chat. That's a very nice way to start off the month of August. Beautiful, beautiful gold shorts caught live on stream with all the viewers as well as the MFX members. Easy way to start the month of August. Let's go. 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 Shit, man. Shit, man. Oh, damn. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Let's fucking go, boy. Jeez, guys, I'm closing my entire trade there. I'm done. Fuck. I'm done. That was the push I wanted. 25 pips. Beautiful way to start the month of August. GG boy. GG boy. 25 pips in the bag. Ooh. Oh. Fuck it up, fuck it up. Break it up, break it up. Type shit. Easy. This is another reason why I'm going to say it again. You don't need indicators and all that jazz, boys. You don't need it. You don't need it. We literally just did that with 4 blocks on the chart. And why is that? It's not because of the blocks. It's understanding it's understanding the markets. Price action, market structure, supply and demand, basic stuff. Because at the end of the day, the more you overcomplicate the shit, the more difficult you make it for yourself. Technical is the easiest part. The biggest part is your trading psychology, your discipline, your routine, all of that jazz. That's what you really want to focus on. Fucking killed it, man. How much did you make? Oh, this guy. Someone's making a lot of money. I can hear that. I don't even think he knows he's unmuted. Yo, Gino. This bra. Nah, shame he's not. He's in the room with his son. Nah, shame. Nah, I checked him out already. He's in the room with his son, so that's fine. I feel like it's just basic respect, boys. If you in one of my groups and it's more than one person using my shit, I will remove you. You only pay for one member. So if you want more members, you pay for more members. But I know he's on YouTube, so I know the situation there, so it's fine. Don't stress. And that's not even me. That's my students going on. We had a very bad incident. Where someone joined the MFX group, right? Nah, Gino, it's chilled. I know exactly what's going on there. Don't stress out. We had someone that joined the MFX, and then what they would do is when we took trades, they would phone someone else and say, yo, he's selling now, whatever the case may be. That's bullshit. And sharing the login details and all that shit, that's bullshit. So I don't stand for that stuff. For me personally, guys, it's just basic respect. It's literally like, it's like me having a gym membership and then letting my whole family use that gym membership that I only pay for, just me. Do you think Virgin Active is going to allow that shit? They're not going to allow that. You with me? So the same thing for me. If you're paying for you, only you can get access to it. You can't go share the shit with your people. Now I know on YouTube it's fine because we literally get people that come to our stream just so they can sell signals to their communities. We get that. That's something we can't stop. But within my community, I'm very like close knit. But regarding like that, now that's chill, you know, like it's fine. It's your son in the room, that's fine. Don't stress. But that's another dub for us, guys. Let me just see how quickly gold just got smacked on the ass. 1022 to 1027. What's the different about group and YouTube? A lot. The group has my mentorship. I mentor them myself. That's probably the biggest thing. The second thing is there's an entire course of how I trade. Pre-recorded, you study that. With that comes the Friday live sessions as well as the accountability call, and then the community is actually in there as well. So that is what the membership consists of. Honestly, the biggest thing is obviously just having my guidance over your head to show you how to do what I do on a daily basis. This was a GG, man. This was really a GG. Beautiful trade. Caught live once again. That's a lacquer way to start the month of August. Type 3s in the bag. Boom. Boom, boom, boom. Absolutely killing it, man. So if you guys want to level up your trading and you want to trade as well as we do, as consistent as we do, the link is literally in the description. So check the link in the description. I'll show you. TP2 got smacked anyway for 30 pips, but obviously I called it at 25. So I'm happy with that. That impulse move gave it away. I was like, you know what? There's no retest. So I'm gonna explain to you why I got out so quickly. Let me tell you. I'll tell you exactly why now. So for those that want to level up their trading, my brothers, here is the link right now in the description. Right there. Join our mentorship program. Boom. Click on that. It'll take you to the program. With that, like I said, comes my entire course as to how I trade pre-recorded. Comes also with my one-on-one mentorship. So I will take you, put you in a one-on-one room, and I'll mentor you myself. That's how I do it. And then obviously within the group you get guidance, the Friday sessions, you get NFP trades as well. You also get accountability calls, and then access to the whole community where all my like-minded individuals are, and which I feel like is important, because if you can surround yourself with like-minded individuals also other than myself, that already should push you to strive to want more and do better. Send update? Okay, I'll send it now. So I hope that makes sense. Kata 90, I'm joining your legend, 100% my brother. I'll see you in the room. Not just your trading, but for the way you mentor everyone to be better people. 100%, that's what I'm here for. I really don't want to be that guy, but I don't really want to be that guy. But honestly, what must I do with $59? So for me, it's more than the money. If I can change people's lives, that's the most important thing. And I say that in the most humble way. I don't want to sound like a weird dude, but if you think about it. You can say Ickers. Let me not say it. Well done though. To those that caught the trade, well done. For those that learned, GG's, well done. Now, I just want to explain one thing. The reason why I took TP so quick is because there wasn't a retest of that level that it just broke. You see that? There wasn't a retest of that level. So with price driving so much, hitting and smacking TPs, I was rather just going to cut everything in avoiding price going up. Obviously, there's going to be odd times like this where you have these runners run like that, but kind of not phased with that. If I can get full position 25 pips, I'm good. I'm really good. Charles, let me just send you that update as well. I'm sure I saved it now. YouTube, let my computer guy just sort this out.
Although you can buy for what you want, you can also make it.
Really? The thing is, that's a very nice point that you make there, Vince. I think like today you could have learned a lot because you would have seen me approach the market since the beginning. So even I'm gonna go watch my own stream again because I like to watch my own streams again because that also helps me better myself as a trader. So that's what I do. So the way I broke down the chart in the beginning, anticipating these shorts, anticipating that I prefer the sells, all that stuff, is a big learning curve as well, because a lot of people will see, okay, now we're bullish, from the support I can buy, right? That's a perfect baby pip strategy that as it taps into support, people want to buy, thinking that it's over bullish. You need to understand the market structure behind the overall structure. And this trade was given away with the fact that, you know what, we've pressed so high after QP, breaking this level of resistance, price should retest that level before going up. Now, it wasn't to say that we're overall just going to sink. I mean, it can, but that wasn't the idea. The idea was that we're going to tap into liquidity to bounce off this area and then drive. And I was adamant about that, and I waited for that, and I got that. However, if it wasn't the case and price was going to reject that, I would still look for the buys above there. But I'm not able to look for buys at this level because I'm trending micro bearish right now. How do I buy in a micro bearish trend? No sense. No sense at all. And why I can't do type 2s from this area, because it's not bouncing off of a major level. You with me? Because this would have been a failed one. You understand? So yeah, on the trading side of things, I'm done. Any questions, guys, do let me know. Yeah. Zex, GG phase 1, 10k account done. Wow. Brilliant stuff, Zex. Well done, brother. I'm proud of you. Well done. How many people passed phases today? And a dude got funded today. Malkak. That is Malkak. What? That's crazy. YouTube though, any questions? Because obviously we done. We came, we saw, we conquered. We should actually tap this level of 24.31.83. Price should tap that. Another thing I want to mention is times like this where I closed full at 25 and it runs now, where are we now? 50 pips. You shouldn't feel anything. You shouldn't feel anything. You shouldn't feel anything, boys. This is just another way, the way MFX does it, man. Ooh, Jordan. Yeah, this guy. Computer guy. This guy's phone is an ATM. Well done. Bro, I did a withdrawal on Vol. I did a withdrawal with HFM on Monday. The money was in my account in 7 minutes, boss. How mal is that? Let me film my guy. GG's, bro. GG's. Well done. I'm so proud of you. Jeez. Oh, yes. I love to see it, man. Now, after this, start doing direct online withdrawals. Okay. What you eating there? Jeez. Gold. What you eating, Shay? Is that a shamrock pie? Oh shit, my bad. For July it was 469 pips profit. Not bad. Thank you, computer guy, for the update. So for July, 469 pips profit with only one loss of 33. This month already starting off with another banger. We might be on a win streak. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 trade win streak. So it's come to obviously our attention that we average about 11 to 14 wins before one loss. I don't want to like put that out there. So my like what you say, like your brain kind of like calibrates that the whole time. So I never want to say that. Like I had a thing where I was like, I really want to beat my 18 trade win streak, and I literally got stuck at that. But then this year we did a 24 trade win streak. So the more you speak about something, it kind of, I don't think it's that good. Because I was.
What you said at the 24-week window, like you said something about a loss.
Exactly, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? So I don't really worry about the win streaks anymore, guys. It is what it is. Whatever happens in the charts happens in the charts. Yeah. Yeah, bro. Look, I have no emotions to this shit, dude. I'm not gonna lie. I don't feel a thing. I can lose $5,000 today. I wouldn't care. Because I know what I'm capable of, and I know what the strategy is capable of in the long run. Cardle, and then we are calling it a session. YouTube, obviously this is my last day with you guys, so I'll see you guys on my... Who's baby? I'll see you guys on Monday. Yes, I know this card. This is a Lotus. This is a Lotus. It's that small Lotus. I know this card. It's that small Lotus, I think. It's a small Lotus. Nah, it's not the Elise. It's a small one. What is this thing? I'm going to tell you that I'm going to Google it because, guys, I got a jet. But I know it's a Lotus. It's a small one. One of the first ones, man. I can literally see it in my head because I played... What the hell? Wachman. I literally played with this car in Forza. That's how I remember, because it was so good at Jags. What is this one? I'm gonna show you now which one it is. It's this one there, that yellow one there. What is that? Esprit? I think it's Esprit. Is it Esprit? It's this one here. The Elan. The Lotus Elan. Let me just double check that it is that one that I have in my head. The Esprit is the more like wider one. They normally come out in red. Yeah, this is the one. Lotus Elan. Yeah, this is the Lotus Elan. Got you, bitch. Cool. GG's on that. TP on Cardinal as well as TP on Gold. YouTube, thank you for the blessed week. It's been awesome. We've taken 4 trades for the week. We've won them all. Insane Moeren. Gemoer. First trade for stream as well on August. Also killed. So MFX members, just stay afterwards or come to the Zoom. I just want to have a chat with you for some reason, for something. And then YouTube, I'll see you guys next week Monday, same time, same place, 8:30 for London session, GMT +2. MFX members, I'll see you now in the Zoom, and then tomorrow we obviously go on as per normal. YouTube, thank you for the support. Cheers. MFX members, just pull up to that stream, to the Zoom.